Okay, so I'm going to start off by going over the different pages of my website. So there's going to be a home page, a top stories page, a videos page, entrepreneurship page, business page, real estate page, fitness and health, lifestyle, forum, and a affiliate store page. Um, so on top of these pages, at the footer, would also like to have a blog page. All you have to do is just create a basic skeleton for the blog page. I will write my own blogs myself and add it to the blog page, so no need to provide any content. Just simply add the skeleton of the blog page for me. I do have a few blog posts that I've written in my current website at entrepreneurscomplex.com. If you're able to help move those blogs into my new website and help keep the SEO and that I've accumulated throughout the time through these blog posts, that'd be great as well. So I'd be happy if you can do that. So move my current blogs from my old website into my new website and maintain the SEO and traffic that I've gotten from these blog posts. That'd be great. There's gonna be about us page, contact us page, which I can provide the content for you, which is pretty much what's in my current website, which you can just copy and paste for the most part. But yeah, would like to have just a basic skeleton for an about us page and a contact us page, where they can leave the name, number, email address for sure, um, and a message and any other um, contact information that might be suitable. Privacy policy, terms and conditions, just kind of the legal pages that we have on websites, maybe at the very bottom of the footer, which I will go over with you. And so here are the sketches that I've made for you. This way, you don't have to design the website from the ground up. I've taken a lot of time. This took me a couple weeks to just really kind of sit down and draw up. So this way, will remove all the design work. You just simply have to copy these sketches that I've made and just mimic them and put them into real life, a real working live website, a news aggregation website. So this should save you a lot of time, because you don't have to mess with the design of the website. I already did it for you, and I'll go into explaining this further. So this is just a WordPress template. This is the WordPress. This is a Soledad WordPress theme that I went ahead and bought. This is like a magazine news WordPress theme, which is kind of perfect for this news content aggregation website that I'm looking to get built. Um, got great reviews, and I'll send this over for you to just review kind of all the technical specs and everything that it has included. Um, so this is the theme that I'm looking to use. I think it's theme number 16. Um, Actually, sorry, I think it's going to be theme number 15, more of the wide version. Um, but as you can see, there's one, two, three, four, all the way up into 38 different design layouts that we can choose from. We can mix and match, copy and paste, which is a good thing about this template. We can mix and match these different cell blocks. It's pretty flexible and pretty intuitive. So yeah, so this is the overall design layout that I'm looking to use, and I just pretty much copy and pasted that into these kind of Illustrator. So at the very top, it would just have my logo here. Top left, a newsletter sign up, so someone can add their email, and I can send them weekly or monthly newsletter emails. Top right would be social media icons, so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., where they can just click and it will go to my social media pages. Here are all the pages that we discussed. So the home page, top stories page, videos page, entrepreneurship, business, fitness and health, real estate, lifestyle, forum, and store. Going forward here, this is from the WordPress theme. So this would be the top story section. So you can see kind of the correlation: top stories, videos, next one, videos, entrepreneurship, and then it'll be business, and so on. So at the very top, I would like to have articles populate within these cells. So just take an image here with a very brief text description. Um, and this, if I click on this article, let's say this is how to start a business in 5 days. Um, if I click on this, it would redirect me to the third-party website. Let's say it's CNBC, um, and this will be done through the RSS feeds that I provide to you. So simply, you just need to add these RSS feeds into these cell blocks within this WordPress theme, so that when I click on any of these articles here, it will just redirect me to the third-party website. Um, you see these arrows here, right, left arrow. So every 5 seconds or so, would like this to just automatically refresh, or if I click on it, it will refresh, which this does already here. So it'll just refresh like this, or every 5 seconds, it'll just refresh by itself. Um, Google AdSense, I know we discussed this. This is mandatory. If for some reason Google AdSense can't be applied, then we need to cancel this and not move forward. Um, so, as we mentioned, this is something that uh, you mentioned is doable, so it shouldn't be a problem. But if it is, it is definitely mandatory, and you know we should not move forward at all, cancel the contract, etc. This is very important for me. This is how I'll be earning revenue. Um, um, so would like to have Google AdSense added throughout the website. So here, kind of in between the top stories and video page, if you can add one somewhere on the right rails, maybe at the very bottom here, that'd be great. Um, as you can see, there's um, the video section, entrepreneurship section, maybe every 2, 3 sections add a Google AdSense ad placement, um, maybe somewhere like in between here, and then maybe at the very bottom of the page, footer, a Google AdSense placement. Um, Open to your thoughts too. So if you think there's better places for the Google AdSense, let me know. But definitely would like to add that throughout the website. Here, this is just a design within the WordPress theme that I provided that we can pretty much plug and play. Um, so you can see there's an image here, brief text. So this will be the video section. So it's just, if this is a video on how to start an online business, if I click on this, it redirects me to CNBC, Business Insider, Forbes.com, whatever website I give you. Obviously, this would be feeded by the done through the RSS feeds. So this image is a little bigger than these. So would like your help to make sure the images and the text all fit properly within the same dimensions, same sizes. Um, big image, small image, etc. So this is where I'm going to need your help with organizing and creating this to look professional and organized. Um, there's another arrow here. Doesn't have to say see more, but like a right arrow where if someone clicks on this, it will refresh another 5 new posts. Um, and if they want to actually go to the video page itself, they can click here on the videos page, or they can just click here, videos page, and it'll take them to the actual video page with all the videos. And then same concept. The next one down is entrepreneurship. The next page up is entrepreneurship. Again, would like to have the entrepreneurship image or different articles here. And then obviously this image is a little bigger than these, so would like to have the image properly placed here, showing up here with the brief text. And if I click on this, it will take them to the third-party website, CNBC, let's say, or Forbes, or businessinsider.com, whatever RSS feeds I give to you. Um, and yeah, it will take them directly to that third-party website. Again, there's an arrow here, and then this will be done for all the rest of the pages. As you scroll down the home page, it will be the next one up is business, next one up is fitness and health, real estate, lifestyle, and that's it. Load more button is great. If they can click on this, it'll just load more of the rest of these sections. Or even better if you can just infinity scroll. So if they're in the bottom of this section here and they scroll down, it'll just automatically populate the next section, which is the business section, fitness and health, etc. On the right rail, these are the widgets that I like to add, which we discussed. So stock market and crypto news chart widget, um, obviously showing stock market and crypto. The affiliate store product, this is just going to show a preview of my affiliate store. Would like to have, let's say, um, 2 columns and 3 rows. And this can just be like Apple AirPods. This could be a book. So if I clicked on this book, um, it will take me directly to, let's say, Amazon.com, where they can buy the book and Amazon pays me a commission. But this would just be a small snippet or like a little preview of my actual store page, which has all of the products. This way, if someone is reading or digesting content, reading different articles, this will kind of be in their face like, hey, do you want to go shopping? Which is a good way for me to earn extra revenue on top of Google AdSense. So if they're reading, digesting content, this will remind them to go shopping to my store um, and help me earn more revenue. The next widget here is the weather and calendar widget. Pretty straightforward, which I like to have here, and the quote of the day widget, which it'll just be inspirational quotes. Every day, new quotes pop up that I would like to add here. Bottom of the page, you can see this is the blog page. So just again, basic skeleton of the blog. I will write my own blogs, so you do not have to write any blogs for me. Just need you to help create a blog page. Basic skeleton. About us, contact us page. Pretty straightforward. We went over that. Right below this would be right under here would be like the terms and conditions, privacy policy at the bottom of the footer. And then on the right of the footer, would like to have um, the social media icons again, and also a newsletter sign up where they can have a maybe like a box here of where they can add their email address, similar to this here. So just another replica on the bottom. Newsletter, social media icons. So that's that. That's the home page. This is the rest of the pages. So this design that I created here would be the exact same design for my top stories page. Top stories page, not the video page. So you can see here, these are the pages that this design layout would look exactly the same. So top stories page, the entrepreneurship page, the business page, the fitness and health page, the real estate page, and the lifestyle page, they're all going to have the exact same design. And this again will function similar to the home page. So let's say from the home page, let's say I clicked on the entrepreneurship page. The entrepreneurship page will look just like this, where there will be the top 3 articles that pop up here. And then this will be just from the RSS feed that I give you. This would just simply be just one of the most featured articles or just most popular articles that have to do with entrepreneurship. And I will give you the RSS feeds that will feed into here. Same thing, Google AdSense here on the right rail. Add one extra on the right rail, maybe at the bottom under quote of the day or right between here. And then Google AdSense, maybe every 5th row, you can add a Google ad placement and then add a Google AdSense at the very bottom of the footer, like right here, right above where the footer starts. And this is pretty straightforward. So let's say this is the entrepreneurship page again. I will give you the RSS feeds for different entrepreneurship pages. I just want you to add the RSS feed so that, let's say from CNBC, Forbes.com, Entrepreneur.com, CNN, um, the different RSS websites that I give to you will like the image and a brief text to populate for each of these sections. So this can be CNBC, how to start a business in 10 days with an image. This can be CNN, how to start an online business with an image and text. If I click on this, this will take me directly to CNN, and so on. So this would all be different articles from different websites that I'll give to you. And infinity scroll will be great here. So um, as you're on my website and you want to read more articles, you just scroll down here and it will just keep refreshing new articles as you scroll down. Everything else will function the same. Newsletter sign up at the top, social media icon, logo, all the pages. Um, Top 3 articles here, more articles here. These are all RSS feeds, the same widgets we discussed, and then the same footer we discussed as well. So this would be for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages here, but all exactly the same design layout. Um, Again, arrow here so that they can click a fresh new 3 pop up, or or every 5 seconds it'll just refresh on its own. Um, this is the videos page. So this is the layout that I would like for the video pages. Um, and so the only difference again, it's just these layouts are a little different. That being said, everything will function, exactly the same. So um, these are all the, I guess, most popular videos of the day, and then these are the latest videos of the day. And you'll know by I will give you the RSS feeds that we can plug into this, so that let's say this is a CNBC video on best side hustles 2021. Click on this, it will redirect me to CNBC where I can watch that video. Um, the key thing that I would need your help with is, with the RSS feeds, to make sure the images fit into these different sizes accordingly, and that these very short texts also show up accordingly. Again, the right arrow, so refresh and a whole new 5 pop up, or every 5 seconds it refreshes itself, or 5-10 seconds. Um, Again, the bottom here, exact same concept. Just need your help with adding the image and the text from all the different websites. So CNBC, how to start a business in 5 days. CNN, best side hustles for 2021. Forbes.com, um, biggest mansions in the US. And I click on this, it will take me to CNBC. This will click on this, take me to Forbes. You get the idea. So the key thing really is I would need your help to make sure that the images fit into these blocks. And there's a couple different size blocks. Make sure that the images fit properly, as well as the text from the RSS feeds, and that when I click on it, it takes me to that third-party website successfully. And obviously add Google AdSense all throughout the website, which um, I drew here for you. Um, this layout is a little different, but I just pretty much copy and pasted this template within the same Soledad theme. Like I said, they have dozens of different themes here, um, and they allow you to just plug and play, copy and paste all these different designs from one theme to another. Um, you can see this one has one. This is a carousel, one big image, 4 smaller ones. Um, this one has 1, 2, 3. So they have different options, but you can plug and play, which is great. There's a lot of flexibility with this theme. Blocks, templates, cloud library. Easily import any blocks, templates from any demos. Easily combine any blocks, templates to create your own unique site. Receive new blocks, templates right away after we add it. So, like I said, they got 1, 2, 3. They got a lot of different design options. You can literally import these blocks and these templates, these blocks these blocks, these templates. See all these different blocks and templates. You can just plug and play, copy and paste. Um, Same thing, block template. You can copy and paste this. You see, this is a little different. This block is a little different. 1, 2, 3 instead of this 1, 2, 3. So a lot of flexibility, a lot of design options here. This is also another completely different design option. So, but I've made all the drawings for you. So this is what the home page would look like. This is what all the pages will look like. So the top stories page, videos page, entrepreneurship, business, real estate, fitness, lifestyle. You get the gist. Um, all of these pages would have this exact same layout. The video page would have this layout. Lastly, this is the store page. The store page, again, very easy because this template already has a store page that they created for us. So you don't have to do any really custom building. Simply um, just add the different affiliate products that I would like here. So for this page, um, I would like to have this is not an e-commerce store. It's purely a affiliate store. So I would like to have the exact same function as my current website. So this is my current website. This is an affiliate store. Again, this is not an e-commerce store. So let's say I want to buy this book by Ray Dalio. It's a brief snippet, brief preview, and I click buy now. It takes me directly to Amazon. From Amazon, I can buy directly from that. And then this is my affiliate code. So if I buy this, Amazon will pay me an affiliate commission. So that's how my current website functions. I was able to create this very quickly because I used a Shopify app, paid about $10 a month, where I just simply copy and pasted this URL for this book on Amazon. And when I copy paste the URL into the Shopify app, it would just automatically create this for me. All the text would import directly. This buy button was already included in the app. So literally the Shopify app helped create this affiliate store very quickly within a day. And so I would like to have the same concept here with the affiliate store. So I just sketch some things. So newsletter, social media icon at the top, which is the same throughout all the stores. This is where my logo would go. This is where Google AdSense would go, which you can see here. They give us these blocks. So this is where my logo would go, Google AdSense. This is where the pages would go. So home, home, top stories, videos, entrepreneurship, home, top stories, video, entrepreneurship, etc. Forum, store. You can delete this. You can delete this. This maybe start right here with our selections. So just from here, just scroll this at the very top. From our selections, it would have these 4 different categories, which I have sketched for you. So this would be bestsellers, featured, books and podcasts, software and technology, deal of the day. So I would have 5 instead of 4 categories. And when you click on the, let's say, bestsellers, it would just have just different products that I have recommended, which I will provide to you. And so if I have speakers, let's say, if somebody clicks on this, it will take them directly to Amazon. If there's a way for me to add a very small text of what it is, Bose speakers, for $100 or something like that, I would like to add a text. That way I don't have to create a second page, a middle page that has a product description, and then from that product description, it would take them to Amazon. I'd rather just someone sees a product from my store, They click on it, it takes them directly to Amazon. So yeah, would like to have a little product, a little description and price under each one. So that's for bestsellers. Same thing for featured would be um, featured products. Again, I will provide that to you. Books and podcasts. Books and podcasts I would add here. Pretty straightforward. Software and technology. So I would have different software. Um, Not from Amazon. This would probably be from the software companies directly. Let's say like HubSpot or Salesforce or um, I don't know, different softwares. They pay a much higher commission, so I'll probably just have their softwares advertised, but same concept. Um, if it's HubSpot, and somebody wants to subscribe to HubSpot through my website, HubSpot pays me commission. And then lastly, deal of the day, where I would just recommend new deals of the day. Um, and for the new deal of the day, those um, it's the exact same concept. One more thing, I would like to have this load more option. As you can see right now, there's only four or two rows, um, four columns, but that's not enough. So we'll definitely like to have a load more button, or if you can, infinity scroll would be better. Maybe like an arrow would just automatically scroll with more products. That will show more products. And that's all I need for this page. You can delete all of this. I don't need any of this. So it'd just be the top logo, Google AdSense, the pages, um, these here like the shopping cart, if possible, um, or maybe like a heart function. And but more importantly, just keep it straightforward, just pages, and right under the pages, straight into the products, and definitely have a more scroll function. Also, one very important thing that I would like to add that we discussed before, as people are going through my website and they're reading different articles, let's say, and some similar to YouTube, you know how you can save YouTube videos. I would like the same thing here. So let's say I'm in a rush, or I want to read this article tomorrow or later tonight. I would like to be a save function where they could save this article to read later, similar to how you can do that with YouTube. You can save that YouTube video to watch whenever you want. It saves in a private little library of yours. Again, they might have to create a username and password, so an account with me for my website, which is fine. But I would like for them to have that functionality so they can save articles and watch it or read it later. Um, and then lastly, the forum page. I would like to have a forum page where um, people can literally just leave questions, and then other people that visit my website can leave answers, similar to like a Reddit or Quora, obviously at a much smaller scale. But I do want people to be able to network within my website because my website is a business, entrepreneurship, self help, motivational um, type of website. I do want people to be able to collaborate with each other. Because a lot of them are going to be entrepreneurs, or whether they're brand new entrepreneurs or seasoned entrepreneurs, if they have a question of, what's the best way to trademark my new business, or what's the best online business to do today, someone can leave that type of question, and all the community members that visit my website, they can answer that question through like a little forum, through the forum. There'd be a question and then multiple answers, like Quora or Reddit, similar functionality. Um, then the forum would also help me drive revenue through Google AdSense and affiliate links, and stuff like that. So I would like to have the forum page. I know WordPress has different forum plugins, pages that they can help set up pretty quickly and easily. So I know you discussed you can do that, no problem. So yeah, would like to have a form added to my website. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So all in all, I would just pretty much would like for you to um, use the drawings that I made and just make it into real life. So I save you a lot of the time from the design concept. You don't have to worry about any of the design. I've spent weeks and weeks of sitting down and designing every single page, every single function, every single button. All I need your help is really to make this into real life. And obviously make sure the RSS feeds are working properly, the images, the texts are fitting inside the cell blocks properly, it's redirecting to the third website properly, um, and obviously Google AdSense. So the RSS feeds and Google AdSense are a must, mandatory. I know we discussed this, so if any of those two you can't do, um, like I said, we should not move forward. Cancel this. Don't want to have to pay and move forward with this if you can't do the Google AdSense or RSS fees because those are the whole purpose of this website. Um, yep. Other than that, I really look forward to working with you. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.